Okay, well, I'm back. I'm back from the store, and see here, Fluid Master, and this is a 400A series Fluid Master toilet fill valve #1 solution to fix noisy toilets, easy install, trusted by toilet manufacturers, professionals worldwide. And see, it's got a 5-year warranty, so they're telling you after 5 years, good luck. And they'll give you a warranty for at least 5 years. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, I guess that means you might have to save your box, you'd have to save the receipt, and save that in the garage, in your storage closet, something like that. And if this goes out before 5 years, you should be able to take it back to wherever you bought it. And I don't know if they'll refer you back to the actual manufacturer or what. If it lasts 4 years, does that mean they're only going to give you $2 back because it costs $10, or are they going to give you a brand new one? I have no clue whatsoever. Okay, and this is the one I like to use. They have some other different styles, but I've always had good luck with this Fluid Master. Okay, it's the very same, other than this rod here, right here, is plastic. And then you can adjust that, and see that will adjust your float up and down. And there's directions in here and all that. It's very easy to do. If you were to call a plumber, and have him fix one of your toilets, because you still think you're just an average Joe, you've never done any plumbing, you call up a plumber, you know how much he's going to charge? I don't know exactly, but you call one and it's going to shock you. They're probably going to charge you $175 to $200 because it's a trip charge. They have to get this, and then they have to talk to you, and then they have to actually do the work. They have to pay their guys, they have to pay their van to come out here and all that kind of stuff. $200 or so? Why not replace it yourself for $10 plus tax? And you know what? You're going to learn. You may screw up a little bit on the first one, but it's okay. You'll finally figure out how to install that, and guess what that means? That means more than likely you got more than one toilet in your house, in your condo, at your apartment, whatever, and that means you'd be able to fix any toilet from here on out. And even if you were to replace just one, and you only have one toilet, well, chances are if you live in that place for longer than 7-8 years, you're gonna have to replace another one of those. Or you may have a friend who needs to have one installed now because you've watched this whole video series. You know exactly how to do it, and you can help them out, right? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna get started in a minute.